Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ify, and I am back again with another video. Guys, today's video I am going to show you guys how to cook a very quick Nigerian jollof rice. And these are my ingredients. Let me introduce them to you guys. This is the spices I'm going to use. This is pepper. This is pepper, dried pepper. I'm going to use dried pepper today. Yeah, but if you have fresh pepper, you are free to use it. So I have my nutmeg powder. I have my thyme. Then this is my chicken spice. Then I have my curry powder. This is the size of the ginger I want to use for this recipe. This is my garlic. Here I have my chicken. This is my chicken. I have my stock cubes. Then some salt. You have to put salt according to your taste. This is the pepper I'm going to use. I'm going to use 4. I brought out 4 for it. This is the 4. Can you see? Then I have my onion. I'm this type of person that love onions so much. So this is the size of the onion I brought, and I'm using 4 of this size. See the 4 here? This is my fresh tomatoes. I am going to use just this 2. Then this is my green bell pepper. This green bell pepper, I am going to blend it together with all these stuffs. I'm using just these 2. Then I have this tomato paste. This is the tomato paste I'm going to use. It depends on the brand you use. If you have your own brand, you can just use any brand of your choice, but this is the one I am using for this recipe. Yeah guys, here is the quantity of the rice I am going to make. Can you see? This is the quantity. You can make your rice according to the quantity you want, and everything depends. The quantity of your rice determines the quantity of your ingredients. Do you understand? So here is the quantity of rice I'm going to make. So let's get into the cooking. I am going to be starting with seasoning my meat, my chicken. So this is my chicken and I want to season it right now. So I go first with my onion. This is a chopped onion. I add my pepper. This is the pepper that I showed you guys. I add just a little. All these things depends on how you like it. Like pepper and salt depends on your taste. It's time for me now to fry it. Guys, I will now add my onions. This is a chopped onion. Like I told you guys, I love a lot of onions in my jollof rice. Oil, vegetable oil. You have to add enough vegetable oil. So, can you see how it is now? It is time for me to add my paste tomato we use over here. This paste, tomato paste. You cover it. So guys, it is time for us now to add our ingredients, all those things we brought out then. And for those ingredients I showed you guys, the curry powder, the chicken spices, then those stuff, stock cube, close it. Now to remove some of this stew, we are going to add it later. I'll show you guys when I will add it. But now let me remove it. And it is time to add our chicken stock. Then you add your rice, your parboiled rice here. So if you parboil your rice to be strong, then you have to add enough water when you are cooking it the final time. Sorry. But if you parboil your rice the way I did mine, like I parboiled my rice to be I parboiled my rice to not to be too strong and not to be too soft. So it's at the middle. So I don't need to add a lot of water. Leave the rice to cook. I'm going to cover it. Guys, let's check on our rice. Ooh. Time for us to stir it. Remember the stew we removed before? We are going to add it now. So here it is. I will add my veggies. This is the vegetable. This one is optional. If you like, you add vegetable, but me, I love vegetables in my food, so I'm going to add vegetable. Add any type of vegetable that you want to add, but I prefer carrots and green beans. Then you use your foil, cover it, then you cover it well. Then you have to reduce your heat. Cook it in a reduced heat. So yeah, we'll be back. Hi guys, so this is after some minutes. Ooh, our rice is ready. It is ready. Ooh. One more. This is the real Nigerian jollof rice. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification